CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for next week, right? Am I buying or am I not is the question, which I hope I will try and answer in a very decent, simple way for me, because I've been making videos on CRCL for such a longer time now, and having done 45,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And guess what? I do have also a bunch of receipts with this. We have 44 results. It's not little. I mean, ultimately, all it comes down to, if I zoom out, you will see we don't have the most data. But even from the beginning, when I had just a decent, not a very little amount of data, I started looking, to take it further out from 76 to 104, and that turned out to be a very good call out. And from then I got 2 longs, in a row, and then I got a break even, and then I'm looking to just get myself involved into buying more here now, but it's not yet the timing for me. And the market is closed now, of course, but if I'm only really gonna buy if I see the shift, if I see the double break that I'm talking about. So only got the first break, not the second. We'll continue to keep you updated, so let me know what is your opinion on CRCL, and if you want to stay tuned to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.